Hi everyone, welcome online course in SQL by Vokar company. This course is in English, which is most understandable language in Indian. This language is best to explain any concept to anyone in India, even urban people can understand. Our objective is to make people technically expert. In this course, we are going to learn Introduction to SQL data types, SQL type of commands, SQL operators and functions, SQL constraints, and some more. We explain the course through animation video, story-based explanation, interaction through chat, playing amazing quiz, doubt resolving, and project work. Through enroll in this course, you can expect it to master in SQL commands and improve your skills. Enroll now to learn new skill.